ways through which you can make money on Threads. Now I know this app is not even a day old, but I have a futuristic view on how people can potentially make money using this app. First things first is build a community. Nothing comes without a community. If you don't have a strong foundation, you cannot simply make money. You need to understand this is just a different app, but the audiences which you have are almost similar. This means that you do not have to start from zero like you do on Twitter, Pinterest, or even YouTube to start making money. If you're looking forward to build a sustainable community within your niche, start posting about your day-to-day activities and opinions on Threads. I can definitely see people making money on Threads via posting their affiliate links and soft launching their products and services. Just like Twitter, you can post written bite-sized pieces, content, and promote yourself or your brand. For creators, focus on brand building and community building, which in turn will help you to get a higher engagement rate on all of your platforms, which in turn will lead you to make more money in the long term via selling products or even higher rate sponsorships. What do you think of the app Threads? Leave me a comment down below.